Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be testing if the Zoom F1 field recorder can record car audio. You see, up until now I have recorded all my car audio through my GoPro, but the Zoom F1 should be a lot better, mostly because I can place it so much closer to the exhaust. I will be testing it on my Ford Fiesta first, and after that I will be testing it on my GT86. Now let's see how it performs. I'm actually super happy with how it turned out. You can hear all the little pops and bangs, and that just makes me happy. Now you can of course get even better results with a different setup, but then you have to spend more money. This is kind of an entry-level budget setup right here. Now let's try it on the GT86. So here's the problem with this recorder. It has a very weak limiter. If your car is too loud, it will simply not work. You could try to move the mic further away from your exhaust, which might work, but it is not a guarantee. Here is the recording from the GT86 once I move the mic further away. If you have a really loud car, then this is not the setup for you. But it actually works great on normal cars. If you want to recreate the result in this video, then here is what you need. You need a field recorder, I use the Zoom F1. Then you need the lavalier mic, I use the one that comes with the Zoom F1. Then you need a small dead cat to reduce wind noise, and some tape to keep the mic in place. Now that's it for now, thank you so much for watching.